So today we will be talking about perfect competition in the short run. So in order to show this, you'll need to draw two graphs. I'll be showing both a firm making a profit and a loss. First, let's do the profit. First, you need to make two graphs both side to side. One on the left, you need to call it market. One on the right, you have to call it firm. Your market graph is regular supply and demand. Your price, your quantity, your price, your quantity. And you need to find the socially optimal point is where the supply meets the demand. So that'll be right here. So you go, this is the quantity, the price. So price of the market, quantity of the market. So in order to find the demand in the firm, all you need to do is dot over like this and draw a line. So this solid line is the demand, which is also is the marginal revenue. So we're going to label this MRD for marginal revenue and demand. And this line is also equal to the average revenue and the price. So that's why we call it as Mr. DARP. It's an easy way to remember it, because the demand is always, like, the price it's sold for is always going to be the price of the market. So that's why it's the marginal revenue as well. So this will be the price of the firm. Okay, so if you add your marginal cost curve, so let's say this looks like a Nike sign. There's your marginal cost, your average total cost. So you need to find a point, and you need this. So it has to meet a minimum at the marginal cost curve. ATC. So in order to find out what quantity to use in the firm, you need to find where MR is equal to MC. So we discover that it's right, different color, right here, where the green dot is. So dot down. So this is your quantity of the firm. In order to find your, like, total cost and stuff like that, so this is where the quantity meets the total cost. You can dot over. So this whole top box right here is the profit, right here, in green. And in red is the cost, so how much it costs you to make it, right here. Both these boxes combined is your total revenue. The total revenue is found by taking by adding the profit and the cost. In this scenario, this firm is making a profit because the ATC curve is below the Mr. DARP line. All right, so to show a firm making a loss, you do the same thing with the market graph. You find the socially optimal point, is that's where the supply curve meets the demand curve. You dot over, find your Mr. DARP. So you just draw a solid line, Mr. DARP. Then you draw your marginal cost curve. Then you draw your ATC above Mr. DARP to show a loss. Let's see. So you find your quantity, you find where MC is equal to Mr. DARP, so it's right here. So you dot up to find, there it hits ATC right here. So this box on the top, that's all color blue, is your loss. Is your loss. And the box below is the cost. And if you combine these two, it'll become your total revenue.